Welcome back! Today we are going to unbox the Aputure AL-M9. Here we go. Here we have the box with some menu instructions and a nice pouch that comes with it. The pouch feels high quality and even has a carabiner for you to hook onto your pants or for your bags. This will definitely come in handy. Let's open the back pocket first. Here we have a USB cable and a cold shoe mount. The cold shoe mount will be useful to tighten the LED light onto your camera. Moving on to the front pocket. Here we have the LED light itself with 3 other diffusers and gels. The front part here looks magnetic. I guess it's for you to clip the gels onto the light without it falling off. Turning to the side, we have a few adjustment buttons to adjust the power of the light. There is also a micro USB for you to charge your light. Let's put it all together. Alright, I hope you liked this quick unboxing of the M9 and tune into our next video for us to go in-depth into the specifications of the light. And I'll see you in the next video.